Yo guys, so this is me in my very tiny room that I had to set up after coming back from school. I had to set up a room. Okay guys, so this is me recording with a GoPro for the first time, and I wanted making this video yesterday, but the rain did not agree. And I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just trying to test and see the quality and everything though. So the truth is I actually wanted to make documentary video outdoor yesterday. Hey, if I was all those influencer, this is the part I would have just stopped. Don't worry, this is not advert. I would just said, use my promo code Mary to win a house and 2 children at Plaza Uyo. But then rain fell. But then this video, sorry for pausing again. So I did not want to edit this clip. So this is like the original clip from the camera. Is me telling Mr. Francis Onuk, thank you so much. Like the entire Roothub, thank you very much for this program. I wanted to make a lot of content yesterday. Rain came, rain destroyed the whole plan, and then the aim was to return it this morning. So this morning I'm just trying to make random videos for the channel, and I have a show coming up this Saturday, and I'm a date show. It's going to be something very, very beautiful, and it will be out next week on the channel, so you guys should actually anticipate. So this is me trying to make like 3 to 5 minute video before I get to return the cam.
Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time. You and I drink proposing from the same fire.
And I've been really down. I've not been able to use my phone to create video again. I don't know, but I'm at this point in my life where I have been in so at this point, rain wants to fall. The weather is bad, rain is already falling. So this is me running home. I've been able to use the camera at least for 3 minutes before I return it, and it feels so good that I'm back to creating content. It feels so good that I'm back to documenting. But I'm going right now to return the camera because it's raining already. See, it's raining already, people are running already, and I have to get back home. Hello, Ebi. I do alright though. How far? So rain no green me do anything. Like right now. Now wait it. No. They've been just.
So at this point I had to look for a shade to stand because this rain was coming heavily, and then I was telling myself I must shoot video today because I got the GoPro yesterday and rain did not allow me to create, and then the next day that I have to return it, rain still did not want. I was like, no, today I will create. I don't watch video about this thing. I just say now what this thing. But no, it doesn't think I will use.
So I'm at this point in my life where I will say that I've been in a situationship with content creation. I have done a lot of test run. I've been a bestie to content creation. I've been the shoulder to client to content creation. But then at this point in my life, this year, I just really want to say I do to content creation. I want to get married to creating content. I want to go all out. I've done a lot of station. I've done it with the BBO Metri, the Nam content, the BBO. I've done it with English, with Pidgin. I've tasted a lot of platform, and this is me saying yes to content creation. This is me saying yes, I want to take your official. I want to create content. This is me saying chase to content creation in 2023. Chase to content creation in the month of June. I don't have a device that I can be creating consistently, but then I don't want it to limit me. So like some days ago I made a post on like people where I can actually rent an iPhone and people volunteered, and on Saturday I'm going to actually kick off something with that. And this is me still thanking Mr. Francis Onuk for this camera. Look at how amazing it is. I've been able to take a lot of videos today, and all this is noisy, but then I just really wanted to come out and God, it be like rain go follow. I've been not getting any plan to move to, like I've been no for the first time today. I know
I just actually want to just make videos, travel, discover, go on adventures, and just make videos. Help me God.